In this video, you will find the factors of a number. So I am going to make a function, okay, print factors. So this function computes the factors of the arguments passed. So let's print the factors of x, and then let's put r, okay, and now we'll make a for statement for I in range of, let's put range as 1 and x plus 1, okay, and now we'll make a if statement. If x percentage I is equal 0, then we'll print I, okay. So now let's make a variable num and let's store 290 inside it. So I am going to call print underscore factors, okay, and num as the argument. So let's run the program. So you can see the factors of 290 are, okay. So the number whose factors is to be found is stored in num variable, okay, which is passed to the print factor function. This value is assigned to the variable x in print factor function. So in this function we use the for loop to iterate from I equal to x. So if x is perfectly divisible by I, it's a factor of x.